हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टिल लर्निंग विद भारती। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो आपकी आने वाले एग्जाम जैसे कि जियो आईटी या फिर क्लर्क इनमें जो है आपकी हेल्प करेंगे। तो शुरू करने से पहले प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे। शुरू करते हैं। हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? जेम्स गॉसलिंग, चार्ल्स बेबेज, डेनिस रिची और बजारने स्ट्राउस्ट्रप। सो राइट आंसर इज चार्ल्स बेबेज। चार्ल्स बेबेज इज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर। और चार्ल्स बेबेज जो है वो डिजाइंड एंड बिल्ड द फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर। क्या डिजाइन किया था इन्होंने? फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर एंड डिफरेंस इंजन। नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिफाइंस द असाइंड ordering among the characters used by the computer? Accumulation, sorting, collating sequence or Unicode? So right answer is collating sequence. Collating sequence is the term used for ordering among characters. It may vary depending upon the type of code used by a computer. Next is which of the following are physical devices of a computer? Hardware, software, system software और package. So क्या होता है फिजिकल डिवाइसेस? हार्डवेयर जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं। हार्डवेयर रेफर्स टू द फिजिकल डिवाइसेस ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। सॉफ्टवेयर रेफर्स टू अ कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स। क्या होता है? सॉफ्टवेयर इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स जो कि कंप्यूटर के अंदर होते हैं जिसको हम टच नहीं कर सकते, और हार्डवेयर जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं यानी कि फिजिकल डिवाइसेस। अ प्रोग्राम इज अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन। क्या है ये? सॉफ्टवेयर। सो राइट आंसर इसका क्या है? फिजिकल डिवाइसेस ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर इज हार्डवेयर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टोरेज इज अ सिस्टम वेयर अ रोबोटिक आर्म विल connect or disconnect offline mass storage media according to the computer operating system demands? Magnetic, secondary, virtual or tertiary? So right answer is tertiary. Tertiary storage is the correct option. It is used in the realms of enterprise storage and scientific computing on large computer systems and business computer networks, and is something a typical personal computer never sees firsthand. So tertiary storage is a system where a robotic arm will connect or disconnect offline mass storage media. Next is which of the following is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Bit, KB, nibble or byte? So smallest unit of data in computer क्या है? Bit. Bit is defined as the smallest unit of data in a computer system and is used as a short form of binary digit. क्या होते हैं binary numbers? 0 और 1. 0 और 1. A bit can have only two values, 0 और 1. A nibble comprises 4 bits. Nibble कितने bits का बनता है? 4 bits का. अ बाइट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ 8 बिट्स। और बाइट कितने का बनता है? 8 बिट्स का। 8 बिट्स का एक बाइट बनता है, 4 बिट्स का एक निबल बनता है। वेयर एज के बी इज इक्वल टू 1024 बाइट्स। और एक के बी कितनी बाइट्स का बनता है? 1024। सो राइट आंसर इज स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट कौन सी है कंप्यूटर की? बिट। नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिवाइस यूज पोजिशनल नोटेशन टू रिप्रेजेंट अ डेसिमल नंबर? Pascaline, abacus, computer, calculator. So right answer is abacus. Abacus was used to do arithmetic calculations around 2500 years ago. Pascaline was the Pascal's calculator by Blaise Pascal, invented for doing laborious calculations. किस लिए यूज होता था Pascaline का? For doing laborious calculations. and abacus का होता है यूज किस लिए? अर्थमेटिक कैलकुलेशंस। नेक्स्ट है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर? कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन और डिवाइस दैट कैन बी प्रोग्राम टू परफॉर्म अर्थमेटिकल और लॉजिक ऑपरेशन सीक्वेंस ऑटोमेटिकली. कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स ओनली बाइनरी लैंग्वेज विच इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ zeros and ones. And computer is a programmable electronic device that stores, retrieves and processes the data and all of the mentioned. तो राइट आंसर क्या है इसका? ये चारों ही ऑप्शन जो है वो क्या है? राइट है. कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन और डिवाइस that can be programmed to perform arithmetical or logical operation sequences automatically. The computer understands only binary codes, which is 0 or 1. Next is, which of the following is known as the interval between the instant a computer makes a request for the transfer of data from a disk system to the primary storage and the instant the operation is completed? Disk utilization time, drive utilization time, disk access time, disk arrival time. So right answer is disk arrival time. The interval is referred to as the disk arrival time, and it depends on several parameters. Generally, a computer makes a request and the operation is served. Next is, which of the following is not a type of computer code? EDIC, ASCII, BCD, EBCDIC. So right answer is EDIC. क्या है ये? कंप्यूटर कोड का एक टाइप नहीं है. There is no coding scheme like EDIC. EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, and BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal, and ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next question is, which of the following unit is responsible for converting the data received from the user into a computer understandable format? Output unit, input unit, memory unit, or arithmetic and logic unit? So right answer is input unit. Input unit converts the data which the user enters into a language that the computer understands. That is, it converts the data into binary format, and the output unit is responsible for giving the results in a user understandable format, and the storage unit is responsible for storing the data after immediate results of processing, whereas the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, is responsible for various arithmetic and bitwise operations. So right answer is input unit. Input unit क्या करता है? Convert करता है data को which the user enters into a language that the computer understand, and convert the data into binary format. किसमें convert करता है? data को binary format में, जो कि computer समझता है. binary format मतलब 0 और 1 की language में इसको change करता है. Next is, which of the following is used in EBCDIC? Supercomputer, mainframes, machine codes, or programming? So right answer is mainframes. Mainframes is used in EBCDIC. This concept of EBCDIC was invented by IBM. किसने invent किया इसको? IBM, and is mainly used in the IBM mainframe environment. So basically mainframes use EBCDIC codes. Next is, which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? Versatility, accuracy, diligence, or IQ? So right answer is IQ. Computer system has no IQ of its own. It does only what it is programmed to do. It cannot take decision of its own. क्या है ये? खुद के डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता है, इसलिए इसमें जो है वो IQ जो है इसका एक करेक्टर नहीं है. A computer is diligent because it can work continuously for hours without getting any errors or without getting grumbled. The accuracy of a computer is consistently high, and its level of accuracy depends on its design. A computer can perform any task if it can be broken down into a series of logical steps. Therefore, a computer is a versatile. Next is, which of the following part of a processor contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations required by a computer? Controller, registers, cache, or data path? So right answer is data path. A processor is a part of the computer which does all the data manipulation and decision making. A processor comprises of a data path that contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations. A controller tells the data path what needs to be done. The register act as intermediate storage for the data. Next question is, which of the following monitor looks like a television and are normally used with non-portable computer systems? LED, LCD, CRT or flat panel monitors? So right answer is CRT. A cathode ray tube monitor looks like a television. Ideally, the flat panel monitors are thinner and lighter in comparison. So right answer is CRT. Next question is, which of the following is the correct abbreviation of computer? Commonly occupied machines used in technical and educational research, commonly operated machines used in technical and environmental research, commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research, or commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. So right answer is commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. The word computer is an abbreviation for the term commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. The word computer also relates to the word compute, which means to calculate. So initially it was thought that a computer is a device that is used to perform calculations. Next is, which of the following is designed to control the operations of a computer? User, application software, system software, utility software. So right answer is system software is designed to control the operations of a computer. Software is basically classified into two: system and application software. System software is designed to control the operations and extend the processing capability of a computer system. बाकी अगर आपको सॉफ्टवेयर डिटेल में पढ़ना है तो आप चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर वहां से पढ़ सकते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेज डज द कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड? कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स ओनली सी लैंग्वेज, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स ओनली असेंबली लैंग्वेज, कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स ओनली बाइनरी लैंग्वेज, और कंप्यूटर understands only basic. So computer understands only binary language is the right answer. The computer understands only binary language, which is written in the form of 0 and 1s. A computer can understand assembly language, but an assembler is required, which convert the assembly language to binary language. Similarly, for understanding high level languages, compilers, interpreters are required. सो कंप्यूटर कौन सी भाषा समझता है? बाइनरी लैंग्वेज, जिसको किस में लिखा जाता है? 0 और 1 की फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर? सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, मेमोरी, अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट, और कंट्रोल यूनिट. तो कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन किसको बोला जाता है? सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, सीपीयू को. द सीपीयू इज रेफर्ड टू एज द ब्रेन ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए कंट्रोल यूनिट एंड एन अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट and is responsible for performing all the processes and operations. Next question is, what is the full form of CPU? So ये आपको मैंने पिछले क्वेश्चन में बताया कि CPU की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit and CPU is the part of a computer system that is mainly referred as the brain of the computer. Next question is, which of the following computer languages written in binary codes only? Pascal, machine language, C or C hash. So right answer is machine language. Machine language is written in binary codes only and can be easily understood by the computer and is very difficult for us to understand. A machine language, unlike other languages, requires no translators or interpreters. So that's all for today, guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe this channel.